Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a fan again, but this time I'm going to show you how to make an Angry Bird fan, and then I'll show you how you can turn this fan into a pig fan. Okay, so what you need for this is you need 1.5 pieces of red A4 paper. That's my half. Okay, so 1.5, felt pen, scissors, pencil, small piece of yellow paper to draw the beak, and some white paper to draw the eyes. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all is to cut your first A4 paper in half, so you will be left with 3 pieces of paper this size, and we're going to do our concertina again. Okay, I've already got 2 prepared, but I'm going to show you how to do it on this piece. We need 3 altogether. Okay, so you fold your paper in half, and then you're going to unfold the paper, and you're going to take the edge of the paper and fold it to the centre fold or crease that you just made. Turn it round and do exactly the same the other side. Okay, so your paper would be in 4 quarters, and then you're going to fold in again, turn it round, fold in again, so your paper will look like this, and when you open it up it will be in 8, so you'll have 8 different segments. Each segment now we are going to fold into 2, so you're going to use this line as your guide, and you're going to put your paper down in front of you, and you're going to fold back the edge of your paper to that first line. You're going to lift up the paper down, and you're going to go back on the fold that's there, and you're going to keep going back and forth, lifting and folding, lifting and folding, all the way until you come to the end of your paper. Okay, so you'll end up with a piece of paper that's concertinaed like so. Okay, and then what you're going to do, slightly different on this fan, is you are going to fold it in half. So try and get your centre fold and make sure the edges are lined up, and then press it together till you've got this shape. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are then going to join our 3, because you've got to do that 3 times. We're going to join these 3 together. Okay, so now you need glue stick. I think I might have forgot you needed glue in this when I said my materials at the beginning. So you need glue stick, and you're going to glue along the edge, and you're going to put the first one together. Okay, and you're going to join it in the centre, so you'll have a shape like this. To lay that down in front of you, and now you're going to join this edge with the edge of the next fan. So you only need to put glue on the one edge at the moment. So fold it all back up, glue along the edge, pop it down, and you are going to join up. Actually, it should be that edge there. I'm going to join up this edge. Again, press together, meeting at the end, so you make sure that they're the same shape all the way around. Join that together, so now it's going to look like that. Then you're going to join together here. Okay, so you need to glue this one together again. Join them up, meeting at the edge. Okay, so you know that they're the same. Okay, so you have two joined together now. Okay, and now we're just going to add our last section in. And this section is where we're going to put our stick. Okay, so we're just going to join it like that, and then we're going to add the stick. So now you want to glue on each edge again. 1, 2. Oh, don't do what I did and stick it to the table. And then join it again, making sure that your edges are going the right way. So that's the wrong way for me there. So you want your folds to be going in the same direction. So I've joined there. And I'm going to join okay, I'm going to join this together here. So leave it, I'm sure you'll do it. Okay, so it will look like this. You see it's a wider fan, this one, because you've got 3 pieces of paper. And now we're going to stick the lollipop stick in between these two here. Pop the lollipop stick in. And join the other end. Alright. So you're going to have your fan like so. Make sure it's stuck properly into your stick. And you could leave it dry a little bit if you need to. Okay. So now just to finish off, we're going to add the eyes, the Angry Bird eyes. So you need to draw 2 eyes, and then you're going to draw 2 eyebrows. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to stick the eyebrow onto the eye. You can see I've done that, so I'm going to do that with my second one now. I'm just going to pop a spot of glue on the thinner edge of the eyebrow, okay, because that's the bit that's going to go over the eye. And you're going to point it downwards, okay, and then you're going to stick the eyes onto the fan. So you need to put some glue on the eyes and the eyebrow, stick it on, top of your fan. And before you use the fan, you will have to let this dry, otherwise the eyes will fall off. Okay, and then you're just going to cut a beak shape out, which is just half a kind of an oval, and you're going to have the fold in the paper, okay, so that the beak will open. You're going to put glue on one side of the beak, pop that down on top, and there he is, your Angry Bird fan. Okay, for when you're in the garden and you get hot. Now what I'm going to show you as well just quickly is how we can convert one of the fans you've made. If you want to, you could make it a pig. So you would do all pink instead of pink and purple like I've done here. And what you need, just to finish it off, very simple, you need to draw your pig's snout, which is an oval shape with 2 dots in. We're going to add that. I've done purple only because I've got purple here now, but you would probably do yours pink, or maybe white, or maybe you want to do it black. Then we're going to stick eyes on. I've just drawn 2 circles for the eyes with a little bit around the sides. So we're going to pop the eyes at the top. Again, you just need to leave it dry for a little bit before you use your fan, otherwise they will come off. And make sure you don't do what I'm doing now, which is putting glue on your fingers. Okay, so there's his face so far, and I was just going to add some ears. So basically you're doing a triangular kind of shape, and then you're going to put just a little slit, and you're going to fold it in and glue it. So if you can see, it curves slightly. Okay, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue on that, fold it in, so we've got our curved ears. Okay, if you can see, as opposed to our flat one, it's got that curve and the point on it. Okay, so we're going to do the same with this one. Fold it in, and then we're just going to add the ears. So I'm going to put some glue on and attach the ears. 1, 2. So there he is, my pig fan. Now you could do whatever animal you want. You could maybe do a black and white fan, and you could do a cat, or you could white one. You could do a mouse. There's lots of different animals, so here's a little challenge for you to make your fan and make whatever design or whatever animal you like. And if you do make them, it'd be lovely to see them. You can share them on Google Classroom, or you could put them onto your Coid Class Twitter. I hope you enjoy making them, guys, and take care.